Hi, this video will show how to find the square of a number using Speedmax technique. Here for that first we take an example. 88 square. Here 88 is 12 less than 100. So the first part of the answer will be 88 minus 12, and second part of the answer 12 square. 88 minus 12 we get 76, and 12 square 144. Here the second part will be the 2 digit, the extreme right of 12 square. So carry 1 and add this carry with this 76 and we get 77, 4, 4. Hence the answer. Thank you.